Hmm. Facebook lang. Yan guys yung isa pong naglilinis po ng sasakyan. Yun, tinanong po natin kung saan nagbibenta po dito ng magbibenta po tayo ng mga incan soft drinks. May dala-dala po tayong yan po siya guys. Yan. Bigyan man lang po natin ng pambili man lang po niya ng makakain niya. Itong Bangladesh National isang car wash boy. Grabe pagka small salary, only 500. Yan, grabe guys, napaka very small salary super baba ng sahod. 500 if you did not cleaning, problem. Car, car 500 also, 1 month. 1,000 1 month. How many car? 20 car in 1 month. But it's okay, you have 1,500 1 month. Roam free. Roam free. Grabe, ang baba ng kinikita niya guys. Watchman 500. Just now I heard same like your just now I heard same like your situation, 500. I never heard that to anyone. $1,000 every day eating 10 dirham you. No cooking rice now finish finish already your grabe, if you don't have room, problem if you don't have room, you cannot afford the room if your salary is 500. It's better my friend you have a part-time job, car wash. If you don't have car wash, nothing grabe guys, super baba ng sahod niya. Bawa naman. Kaya yun, binigyan na lang po natin ng pambili niya ng makakain niya guys. Dahil nakakawa guys.